How can young minds truly grasp the mechanics behind writing simple computer programs without overwhelming complexity? Python Introductory Tutorial provides an innovative and stimulating environment where children actively construct code to comprehend these fundamental aspects of programming logic. The brilliantly designed interactive levels encourage critical thinking and pattern recognition, leading to genuine aha moments within its charming graphical world. A potential improvement might be the addition of more open-ended project creation tools, allowing for greater freedom once basic concepts are mastered. Nevertheless, this application stands as a testament to effective educational design, making intricate programming concepts profoundly accessible and fun. Exploring Python Introductory Tutorial could open up new avenues for logical reasoning and digital creativity. Please remember, this content represents general perspectives and is not intended to substitute personalized educational recommendations regarding digital literacy programs.